Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to charge your Seaglide in Subnautica below zero. First of all, pick it into your hand and press the R key. This is going to show the batteries which you have in your inventory and which are inside of the Seaglide. To unload the battery, just scroll with the mouse wheel and click unload battery. You're gonna need a battery charger, which you can go ahead and click on it and put the discharged battery inside of it. Also, you're gonna need some kind of a power source, a solar panel, or in my case, a nuclear reactor. Once you have it charged up, you can go ahead and pick it up into your inventory. Pick your Seaglide and just press the R key and scroll until you see the charged battery. You can also swap batteries by just clicking on the other battery without the need to unload it first. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.